Welcome children, welcome to class 10, chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. This is my first lecture, introduction about this topic, then we will sort out the exercise also, first exercise. Okay, before starting the topic, first you should know the meaning of this topic, right? Pair means you know that it is two, right? Pair of linear equation in two variable. This is your means continuity and elaboratively it is explained about your 9th standard topic, that is linear equation in two variable you have done. There you used only one equation and from that you find out the coefficient, then you find the solution for the equation, then you represent that solution on the graph. That you have done in chapter number 4 of class 9th, right? This is here also the same way, but it is elaborately mentioned for you. Here you are going to find the solution in different methods, right? Using the different method you are going to find out the solution, but here it is two variable, right? Pair of linear equation in two variables as well as two equation you are going to be take it here. You know the general form of the equation, that is ax plus by plus c. You know that a is the coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y and c is the constant term here, right? Here they said pair of linear equation means here we are not changing the linear equation, means we are changing the coefficient of this linear equation, means we are going to use the two variables only but the coefficients are different here. For example, here I gave the general term of that pair of linear equation. One is that a1x, because a1 is one of the coefficient and a2 is another coefficient of x, right? So this is one equation, this is second equation. So pair we got it a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. And the second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So what we do normally after this first exercise, we find out the coefficient of ax, y and constant. Then the second equation, second exercise of class 9, we are finding the solution for this equation and we will represent on the graph, that only. So whenever you are representing these linear equations on the graph, you will get only three cases. That is whether that line will be intersect at one point, otherwise these two lines. For this equation you will get one line and second equation you will get another line. So the possibility is that case 1, two line will intersect at one point, that is one way. Another case is that two line will be parallel, they will not meet each other, so line will be parallel. And the third one case is that they coincident, right? So both of the equation gives the same point, means solution will be remain same. So what happens here, when you are taken the intersecting one, at one point you will get, right? At one point they intersect, means that point is the solution for this equation. Both the equation, that is the solution for both the equation. And in parallel, if you see they are not meeting each other. If they are not meeting each other, there is no solution at all, right? If you take coincident, here both are one of the other, means both are mingling. So both are mingling means what happens, it will be the all numbers become the all points become the solution for this equation. So from graphical method what we are concluding it, if it intersect at one point, one common point, then it has only one solution. This equation has only one solution. The same way if you are taken the parallel one, then the equation has no solution, and if it is coincident it has infinitely many solutions. So from the graphical method we can identify and we can conclude this also, right? That we are going to be seeing in the next topic. First exercise based on the graphical method, we are going to be identify whether it will come like this or not, means whether it will come intersect or parallel or coincident like that or not, right? So where we are using, next point is that where we are using this pair of linear equation. This is normal case. Whenever we are going to buy something, what we will do, we will not buy immediately. We will verify with one of the other shop. Suppose we are going to one shop and we will verify it. We are getting lesser than this or not. So we will go to 2-3 shops. Nowadays it become the online shopping. So online shopping also we will verify from one website to another. Usually we have the curiosity, if it is in Flipkart this much means what about the Amazon, then we will go to ePay, like that we will verify one of the other things. There in our real life itself the pair of linear equation is started, right? So now we'll enter into the exercise so that it will be easy for you to understand where else we are using it and how to use this one, that all. Right? Thank you for watching my video, children. In my next lecture, I will explain about the exercise 1.1. Follow the channel, subscribe my channel so that you will get the further notification. Thank you for watching the video.